Have you ever sung India's national anthem, but never really understood what it means? Today, let's uncover the real meaning behind Jana Gana Mana. This powerful anthem was written by Rabindranath Tagore in 1911. It was later adopted as India's national anthem in 1950. But this is not just a song. It's a deep message of unity, diversity, and national pride. Line 1. Jana Gana Mana Adinayak Jaya Hai. Victory to the ruler of the minds of people. It symbolizes a higher power that guides the nation. Line 2. Bharata Bhagya Vidhata. The one who shapes the destiny of India. Line 3. Punjab, Sindh, Gujarat, Maratha. These are regions of India, showing unity in diversity. It tells us that India is not one culture, but many cultures united. Line 4. Dravida, Utkala, Banga. From South India to East India, every part is included. Line 5. Vindhya, Himachala, Yamuna, Ganga. These are natural features, mountains and rivers. They represent the geographical beauty of India. Line 6. Tava Shubha Name Jage. This means your auspicious name awakens people. Line 7. Tava Shubha Ashish Mange. People seek your blessings. Final line. Jaya Hi, Jaya Hi, Jaya Hi. It means victory, victory, victory to you. The anthem takes 52 seconds to sing. First sung in 1911. Officially adopted in 1950. This anthem is not just words, it represents the soul of India. Every time we sing it, we celebrate unity, diversity, and pride. If you learned something new today, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing content.